Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is your guest from Masagari Channel. A fitiller o zumatarder sa ngayong hapon na to. Tignan natin ang sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a random gabay for the sign of Aries. So Aries, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries signs ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos updates. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads sa way pagpalaing kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik-liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Aries. So let's see and watch this. Angel spirit guide, please give me information po. Ano kayang gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga baraha? Okay, there's a Ten of Swords. Sabotage. There's something na ending, no? There's something na defeat. Talagang tinapos, no? Or maliliwanagan ka na kung sino sumasabotahe at tumatrader sa'yo. There's an Emperor. Maging mature ka na this time. No? Kumbaga maliwanagan ka na. Ano ba talaga yung grounds mo? Ano ba talaga yung purpose mo? Kailangan na, kumbaga, you are also mature enough. No? Hindi ka na nagpapadala sa mga sulsol at buyo ng nino man. This is something the Five of Swords, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage that because of your action. Naging open ka kasi. No? Kumbaga, hinayaan mo kasi nga busuhin ka. No? Kumbaga, naging transparency ka sa mga taong nasa paligid mo, hindi mo alam. Kumbaga, kumukuha lang sila ng impormasyon para traidorin ka, lokohin ka. No? Maaring ginigisa ka sa sarili mong mantika. No? What is additional messages? Reversing with the lovers. Some of you guys, no? Merong konektado about sa relasyon, about sa pag-ibig, about sa family. There's a Five of Wands. There's something ka competitors. Meron talaga kakompetensya. Ibig sabihin tayo dito, may sumabotay sa'yo. Maaaring may trumaydor sa'yo dito. May nag-betray sa'yo. And there's a Four of Cups. Kaya kailangan pag-isipan mabuti. No, kumbaga, wag ka masyado magtitiwala sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Tinraidor ka dahil lubos ang iyong tiwala. No, dahil naliwala ka sa tao na to, hindi mo pinag-isipan na tatraidorin ka, lolokohin ka. No, at ngayon, no, maaaring siya yung kakompetensya mo after all, diba? So, let's see what is the Ten of Swords. So, there's a Knight of Swords. Bibilis ang takbo ng situation. There's something successful situation behind. Talaga magtatagumpay ka. And there's the Full card now. Parang sinubukan lang din ang iyong katatagan at ang iyong pananampalataya at tiwala. No, at least may sarili ka ng disposition. No, hindi ka na magpapabudol. There's a high from for lesson learned. Natuto ka na. No, ito yung pinakamahalaga, ang natuto ka na. No, dahil sa relasyon nyo, puno ng toxic and negatives talaga dyan. So, mostly, it's something a toxic family or toxic environment or toxic friend. There's the Moon card with the truth reveal. Ilalantad kung sino to kakompetensya. Or kumbaga, nagbibigay komplikasyon or talagang nagbigay ng komplikasyon sa sitwasyon mo. It's a toxic family, guys. No? And there's the Seven of Pentacles with a harvest time. No, kumbaga ngayon, naani ka na ng mga pinaghirapan mo. Or either, guys, kailangan pag-isipan mabuti. No, huwag ka masyado magtitiwala sa mga pinagpagulat at pinaghirapan mo. Additional messages. There's a King of Cups. Your person is very devoted, supportive, no? Yung person mo yung mapagmahal at sumusupport at gumagabay sa'yo. And of course, there's something the Queen of Pentacles, kumbaga maging mature ka at maging grounded ka sa kung ano naman yung bagay na meron ka. Huwag ka na muling magtiwala na lubos. Now, there's something in new beginning. And there's a Knight of Cups, there's a weak fulfillment. So, matutupad yung mga pangarap mo. At may mga bagay na unti-unti ng malilitaw at liliwanag sa'yo dito. Now, there's something the Five of Cups na mayroong disappointment, realizations. Siguro dahil nagtiwala ka. No, kaya parang nagsisisi ka. No? And there's a Six of Pentacles, magtutuloy-tuloy na at maganda kapalaran sa'yo. Magtutuloy-tuloy na yung magagandang finances sa'yo, maaaring lalago, lalakas na yan, at talagang nireveal lang sa'yo kasi naging abusado tong tao na to. No, siguro, there's a toxic family talaga. No, maaaring yung person mo is breadwinner, provider, or kumbaga, nagkaroon sila ng parang, na naging greedy yung family. No, parang inabuso yung person mo o ikaw, no, maaaring panaybigay, no, kumbaga, nasanay sila sa ganon, hindi nila nakita yung kahalagahan at importansya ng ginagawa niya bagkos naging sila, no, naging greedy sila, no, naging sakim sila na sila lagi ang tutulungan, sila lagi ang bibigyan. So, kumbaga ngayon kailangan matuto ka na proteksyonan mo na ang iyong sarili. There's an ace of wands with a new idea, a new project. So, ngayon magkakaroon ka ng babagong proyekto, plano, at ngayon magkakaroon ka na ng boundaries sa sarili mo at sa family mo. Pagdating naman tayo sa outcome, guys, there's a Four of Wands by celebration. Some of you guys know, there's an homecoming or there's something, relocations. Now, may celebration na magaganap. And there's a higher level commitment. There's a Hermit card with the answer you need this year. So, bibigyan na kayo ng kasagutan sa katanungan nyo. No, liliwanag na lahat ng bagay na dapat mong malaman. There's a Six of Swords with the transition. So, kailangan talagang lumipat ng lugar. Lakasan lang ng loob at tapang. No, huwag kayong maduwag, huwag kayong mag-alinlangan. I-push nyo yan. This is a Seven of Cups. Dahil may mga tao sa paligid nyo talagang ginugulo kayo. No, nililito kayo, sinisira kayo. And there's a judgment for a wake up call. Pinapaalalahanan ka na this time you need to pay attention. Kailangan mo makinig, kailangan mong kumilos, dahil at the end of the time, lahat ng bagay na to guguho to dahil mayroong sumasabotahe at sumisira sa inyong relasyon at sa inyong pamilya at pagsasama. So, let's see. And of course, there's a part of the deck, there's a magician for the manifestation. Lahat ng bagay na gagawin mo, there's something desires into reality. Kaya mong makuha, kaya mong ma-manifest, kaya mong matamo, at kaya mo pang hawakan. So, let's see what is the additional messages for finances and career, love life, at kalusugan. Let's watch this. Okay. For finances and career tayo, guys. Let's see here. There's a King of Wands. Look at the bigger picture. Lagi mo titigay magiging posibilidad. No, kailangan mo mag-isip ng plano. No, ng mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin. O kailangan mo may sakatuparan. And there's a Wheel of Fortune with a turning back. No, iikot ang kapalaran, maaaring swertihin ka na. Baka this time, no, gumanda na ang ikot ng mundo or kapalaran mo. And there's a Page of Wands by good news. May magandang balita na paparating. May magandang impormasyon na darating. And there's a Ten of Wands, no? Matatapos na yung burden, obligasyon, responsibilidad. There's a Knight of Cups. There's a lot of offer. Proposal, promotions, maraming offer na paparating. And there's an Empress card for revert. No, ibabalik yung sigla, ganda ng yung buong pagkatao. So, let's see what is additional messages. Pagdating sa love life, there's a Two of Pentacles with a balance. Kailangan mo maging balance, physically, mentally, emotionally. And because there's something that Four of Pentacles, protect your power, protect your energy. Protection mo at pangalagaan mo ang iyong finances. Matuto ka na how to defend yourself, your love life. No, there's something, the Ace of Cups, there's a new love coming in, or baka balik ang kilig, or yung intimacy yung dalawa ng person mo. And there's an Eight of Pentacles. Now, there's something, a focus. Now, pagdating sa relasyon, sa pamilya, mag-focus ka na. And there's something, a blessing, guys, no? Meron ako na sense dito na magkakaroon ka ng bagong business, negosyo, or maaaring madagdagan yung salary mo, or source of income. And there's an Eight of Wands. Some of you guys, magkakaroon kayo ng travel ng person mo, a lot of communication, heart-to-heart conversations. And there's a King of Swords. Sabi ko na talaga, no? There's a third wheel. Meron talagang umi-extra. No? May epal sa inyong relasyon. Pagdating naman tayo sa kalusugan, guys. So, there's a Two of Swords. There's a decision that you need to make. So, nahihirapan ka mag-decide. No? Nahihirapan kang iwasan. There's something, the temperance. Kailangan mo mag-set ng solid boundaries sa sarili mo. Dahil nai-stress ka sa lahat ng nangyayari ngayon. There's a lot of sneakiness. There's a cheating lying on you. Maraming sekreto dito. No? At umiwas ka sa bagay na nakakasama sa'yo. Na wag mong kimkimin yan. Kailangan mong ilabas yan. No, tinatago mo. There's a 3 of Cups, a lot of celebration. Some of you guys, umiwas ka sa mga alcohol, no, or either mataas sa acid, ganon. And this is something that's of the happiness. At the end of the time, magiging masaya at magiging maligaya ng pamilya mo. There's a 4 of Swords, kailangan mo lang ng pahinga. Na masyado ka na drain. No, dahil sa bigat ng iniisip mo, nag-overload to. So, this is additional messages. Let's see. What is the magical fairy message advices and request sa pick a card, yes or no? Kung bago ka sa channel ko, guys, sa pick a card, yes or no, pwede ka magtanong. Isa lang magiging sagot dyan. Napipili ka within 1, 2, or 3. Derkos, kung nakapili ka na, please comment down below. Malalaman mo ang sagot sa dulo ng reading na to. At maraming salamat po sa mga nag-share ng aking video sa anumang uri ng social media platforms. At maraming salamat po ulit sa mga hindi po nag-i-skip ng ads sa way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik liglig na gumapaw. Nabiyayang manong balik sa inyo. Let's see. What is the magical fairy messages advices? So let's watch this. Let's see, guys. What is the magical fairy messages? There's a spring, there's a blossoming. Maring lumakas ang yung finances. No, magbigay, kumbaga sisibol na ng panibagong eksena sa buhay mo. And there's a ask for what you want. So, kailangan mong humingi at lumapit sa universe na naman yung bagay na kailangan mo magdasal. No, humingi ka ng gabay. And there's an holiday. No, itong holiday nito is something gateway, no, para ma-relax ka. No, para kailangan mo ma-refresh ang utak mo. For, let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. Represent with a business. Offer. Maraming offer na paparating. Not just being aware. Maraming offer. There's avoidance na hindi mo kailangan iwasan na harapin mo. And there's something past lack suffering. No, nagsasuffer ka pa rin parang sa nakaraan. So, kailangan mo tong talagang kailangan mong harapin to at tuluyan ng bitawan at pakawalan. What is the synchronicities represent what? For sign synchronicities. And there's an eagle with a message. Na binibigyan ka na mensahe ng ating Panginoon. No, with the messages and messages. No, with the visions, intuitions, predictions. And there's a leader. No, kaya mo naman daw pamunuhan tong situations. No, you can in charge now for these situations. And there's a raven. Some of you may aswang dito, ha. Maaring inaaswang ka dito. Maring yung pamilya ata ng asawa mo or pamilya ng ex mo. Maring may sa aswang. What is the romance figure for Mystic Love Oracle deck? And there's an addictions. No, meron talagang unhealthy attachment dito. No, this is something third party. Sabi ko na nga ba, meron talagang third party dito, guys. What is a Jesus loving code set? Your Heavenly Father know that you have need all of this. Alam daw ng ating Panginoon, lahat ng bagay nito ay kailangan mo. No, malaman, maranasan, lahat ng bagay nito ay kailangan mong maramdaman. What is Archangel Michael messages? Represent self-respect. Kailangan mo respetuhin sarili mo. No? Pakawalan mo yan. Huwag mong kinikim lahat ng bagay na yan. What is the Neos number? Represent with the 5555 for clarity. You aren't victor of circumstances, rather you are a beneficiary of it. If there were in cases that life would pretty dull, you will set yourself up for success into long run. If you are willing to adapt to the ship, everything is working out of the best at long last. You are accomplishing what you set out to do. Everything will work out in the perfectly at the end. Diba? Magtatagumpay ka. Liliwanag sa'yo lahat ng bagay na ito. Wala nang maitatago. Lahat ng bagay na ito mabubulgar sa'yo. What is a money move oracle deck? There's a love life. Malaking factor talaga sa buhay mo ang pag-ibig, no? Talagang sinasabi dito, there's a love and beloved. Talagang mahal nyo ang isa't isa. Mayroon lang talagang umiepal, no? Umi-extra sa eksena nyo. So, let's see what is a shadow work represent what? For a shadow work represent what? Represent the defensive, reflection, acceptance, and growth. answer resistant to unresolved issues, explore with curiosity. Kailangan matuto tayong alamin lahat ng bagay, no? Palawikin na palakihin natin ang kaalaman natin sa lahat ng bagay. No, kaya natin ilaban, ipaglaban na naman yung bagay na meron tayo. So, let's see what is the clarifying for love situation. So, let's see what is the clarifying for love situation. Represent, guys, with a temporary relief. Distraction aren't quick fix for different issues. Ibig sabihin, napakalalim ng issue na to. No, minsan parang gusto mo na lang i-distract yung sarili mo para hindi mo maisip, pero kailangan mong harapin to. What is the clarifying for life situation? And just go with it. Embrace spontaneity and trust the journey. Remaining open to unexpected twists and turn along the way. Diba? Kumbaga, kailangan tanggapin mo lahat ng bagay na nangyari. Kailangan mong sumabay sa agos ang eksena. At the same time, kailangan mong harapin to. May mga bagay na hindi mo inaadya, inaakala, magaganap, mangyayari. Pero kailangan magpatuloy ka. No, hindi mo kailangan takasan. No, kailangan mong harapin to, ang katotohanan. What lies beneath the future? What lies beneath the future? There's a doing drugs. There's an addiction and doer. There's a doing drugs. So some of you guys, meron talagang addiction dito, no? Or obsession. Or something, talaga. Kumbaga, meron talagang addiction talaga. There's a fighting for your love. O see, ipaglaban mo ang pagmamahal mo. Ibig sabihin talaga, meron something na lumalason. No, there's a doing drugs, parang lason tayo. Parang ganun. Parang sinasabi na meron dito lumalason sa person mo, sa utak ng person mo. Some of you, ginagayuma yan. What is the part of the light represent what? Kaya parang lutang yung asawa mo, balisa, sabog, diba? May ganong scenario. What is the part of the light represent what? There's a confidence. So, kailangan lakas ang loob mo at hatakin mo itong kumpiyansa na to at para magtagumpay ka. May trust in life, unwavering and guided by God, wisdom and love, and my heart and choices that will align with the divine will. I remain faithful to my inner guidance, knowing that everything unfolds according to God's plans, and I am empowered by this deep faith. No, dahil sa malalim na pananampalataya mo, malakas ang loob mo, magtatagumpay ka sa ginagawa mo at matutuklasan mo lahat ng bagay na nakatago sa likod ito. So, let's see what is the pick a card, yes or no. So, let's watch this. So, let's see what is the pick a card, yes or no, guys. So, let's start the time with the number 1. Oh my goodness. Okay. There's a yes. It's going swimmingly off the hook in the flow, no? Kumbaga, maganda talaga sumabay sa agos sa eksena at lumangoy ng mas maluwag at mas magaang, no, kung walang humaharang. Now, there's a yes. Now, there's a yes, and again, with the number 2, rising to the challenges floating on the air advance. No, ngayon pala pinangungunahan ka na maaaring mamamayagpag ka at na makakapasa ka sa mga pagsubok na pinagdadaanan mo at lilipad ka ng mas matayog at mas mataas. No, at magtatagumpay ka. There's a yes. Number 3, there's a yes again. It's a good investment, getting paid, saving up. No, ngayon, no, sinasabi sa'yo dito na tama ang decision mo at maaaring aanihin mo na kung ano man yung bagay na itinabi at talagang ipinaglaban mo. No, so guys, this is a random gabay for the sign of Aries. So, Aries, maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading namang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang dinigil-skip ng adsaway pagpalain kayo. Nang Diyos at may kapal siksik tiglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat po and see you the next video. Bye-bye and babush.